Hi everyone, welcome back to Bike Scout. Today we're taking a closer look at a bike that blends classic cruiser vibes with modern Honda engineering, the 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom. If you love that low-slung, blacked-out cruiser look with a smooth V-twin rumble, this might be the perfect ride for you. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 Shadow Phantom stand out. Right off the bat, the styling is unmistakably retro with a modern twist. The 2025 model keeps the stripped-down cruiser silhouette that riders have always loved, but Honda has refined a few key areas. It features a blacked-out engine, frame, and wheels, giving it a clean, aggressive, and stealthy look. The bobber style, fenders, and minimalist bodywork add to the raw, classic appearance, while subtle touches like LED lighting and upgraded finishes bring it into the modern era. The Shadow Phantom is powered by a tried-and-true 745cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine. This engine has been around for a while, and for good reason. It's reliable, smooth, and delivers enough torque to make every ride feel satisfying. It produces about 44 horsepower and 47 lb-ft of torque, which might not sound like a rocket, but it's perfect for relaxed cruising around town or out on the open road. And because it's a Honda, you know this engine is going to last for years with minimal fuss. Paired with a 5-speed transmission, the bike offers a laid-back, easy-going riding experience. The throttle response is smooth and predictable, and gear shifts are crisp, making it great even for newer riders who want to get into the cruiser lifestyle without being overwhelmed. The shaft drive setup is another bonus. It's clean, quiet, and requires less maintenance than a traditional chain. One of the big selling points of the 2025 Shadow Phantom is how comfortable it is. The low seat height of just 25.8 inches makes it super approachable for riders of all sizes, especially shorter riders who want to feel confident when coming to a stop. The seat itself is wide and cushy, and the mid-mounted foot controls allow for a relaxed but slightly engaged riding posture. The suspension setup includes 41 mini front forks and dual rear shocks, tuned for a balance between comfort and handling. It glides over most road imperfections without feeling too soft or disconnected. In terms of features, the Shadow Phantom keeps things simple and true to its old-school roots. You won't find a full digital display or high-tech rider aids here, and honestly, that's part of the appeal. It comes with a small tank-mounted analog speedometer and a few warning lights. The lighting is all LED now, which gives it a bit of modern flair while improving visibility. For many cruiser fans, less is more, and Honda nails that balance here. Braking is handled by a single front disc and rear drum with standard ABS now included. It's not a performance braking setup by any means, but it's effective and fits the relaxed nature of the bike. The Shadow Phantom is all about enjoying the ride, not racing from stoplight to stoplight. Now let's talk price. The 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom starts at around $8,390 in the US. That's a solid deal when you consider what you're getting. Classic cruiser style, proven Honda reliability, a smooth V-twin, and a bike that just looks and feels right. For riders who want that timeless cruiser experience without the bulk or cost of a heavyweight machine, the Shadow Phantom offers a sweet spot that's hard to beat. So who's this bike for? If you're a newer rider who wants a confidence-inspiring cruiser, the Phantom fits the bill. If you're an experienced rider who wants a second bike for chill weekend rides, it's also perfect. And if you just want a simple, good-looking machine that delivers smiles every time you roll the throttle, then you've got to check this one out. That's it for today's video on the 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom. Let me know in the comments what you think of this cruiser. Do you prefer the stripped-down, minimal style, or do you lean toward more tech-heavy modern bikes? I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Bike Scout for more bike reviews, comparisons, and everything two wheels. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next ride.